This is so exciting. I might be off to get my tractor. I don't know yet about the recovery truck, if it's this afternoon or whether it's tomorrow afternoon. But I'm going to get myself halfway there because it might be tractor day. It's so exciting and I'm so bloody impatient. When you want to check out all the new parts in the box that you've got for your tractor, but your old cat has claimed the box as her new bed. What's in that there? All my tractor parts, I'm going to have to put it on hold, that I want to check out today, are in here. It's a box of goodies. The best thing about that box though is my old cat has claimed it as her bed. She's claimed that as her bed. Is it good up there? You gonna ride on the tractor with me? Oh, don't keep you awake. Don't keep you awake now. New gear knob. There it is. Look at that. New lights. Can't believe my cat finally got off of it. This was the first time I've managed to look in it. We've got a signalling lamp. All for if I'm towing. That's what that is. It's a tow hookup, I'm sure. Mirrors. Always good to have mirrors. We've got some rear lights. We've got some other lights as well. I'm not sure what they are, but it's on the rear. Oh, this one. Oh, this is the old broken one. Okay. I think that's probably the one that's being replaced. And that's probably come off there. That looks like it's come off a new one. Alright. That's the old one, but handy to keep because of the lens. I tend to keep the old parts as well, just in case you need it. Just in case you can do some sort of repair on it should the new one break. Alright, there is. Oh, that's for the hookup. It's just the bolts. Some more bolts here for the mirrors. Some of those pushing clips. This is what's happened. Right, there's a spare part there. I will do the same. I will use the tool and I will do the same here. And hot melt the staples in it, and I'll do a nice tidy chop because that means I've got two nice new headlights. I really am hazards. These are hazards. Looks like a hazard to me. What else is this? Oh, this is the tow in a trailer. Look at that. That's going on my tractor. Delighted with that part. Thank you to my friends that sold me the tractor. It's just going to be so much fun. They did say, Debbie, we're waiting for the video on YouTube. Oh yes, there will be a video. There will be more than one video. There'll be a whole series on the tractor. Right, book. The book, is that how to use it? Oh, I don't know. That's all in a foreign language. I'm sure there's English in there somewhere. Or Google Translate. Oh, it's how to hook up the power takeoff. How to hook up the power takeoff. Thankfully, yes. I've got another rear light. Oh, she is going to be posh. I won't say she because I've named her. It's not she, it's a he. El Heffy. Spelled El Jeffy. El Heffy means the boss. I do not know what that is. So I've got one of these. I don't know what it is. Who knows what this is? Not a clue. Right, if you know what this is. I said it's an Ebro 160. Let me know what that is. Because I'm going to have to fit that to the tractor. This is so much joy. Alright, let's pop it all away. Because tractor is not happening today. It's arranged for collection either tomorrow afternoon You can hear the excitement in my voice, can't you? Either tomorrow afternoon or Friday afternoon. My little tractor, whacking braking tractor, is going to be delivered. Put it back. Let's not be the messy little cow that I normally am. Oh my God, I only tidied the house and cleaned the house the other day. How can it be in such a mess already? I can't possibly be guilty. I cannot possibly be guilty of making the house into a mess. Might be me, it must have been someone else. So I think we'll leave that one out because that is going to get repaired. Where's that little plastic thing? Yeah. Look at that. We can do, bad practice now, we can do a nice repair on that. Let's get the box away. Ah, there's a car riding. Ha 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 ha. There he is, El Jeffy. El Jeffy, El Heffy. It's actually El Heffy, but spelt with a J, so El Jeffy to me, because then it's almost like Jeffers. There she is. Purred, I made Keith ride it down the hill. Purred down the hill. Look at that. There we go. My little itty bitty tractor, El Heffy, is ready for collection. But the crew are coming. El Heffy's ready. And this is gonna be an experience. Jeff, me on my tractor. My craziness knows no bounds. YouTube, this is El Heffy. This is my new project.
Off now.
I'm so excited. It's my grower. It's my grower for my tractor. I'm so happy. That will do very nicely. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, it's a slow and painful journey back, but the tractor is on the grower, and the grower is following behind us. Probably see him in the mirror. There you go. That tractor's on its way home. So exciting. We're now following behind another tractor. That's a bigger tractor than my tractor. But my tractor is happily behind on the recovery truck. Some idiot's going to try and overtake us on the blind bend, as they always do. Oh, you know he's going to go for it. You know he's going to go for it.
I read the rules the other day, even if it's a tractor and it's a white line, still not meant to.
No, I wouldn't think so either, because it's on the blind bend.
Not at the promise.
Following the tractor. Follow that tractor. Tractor is home. Walking over to my tractor, parked her over the road yesterday because it was easier to get her delivered to my casita than it was to get her delivered to my house. So, you can see this is where I'm going to be using her. First trial round the almond meadow. You might remember in my previous video that I had to just flatten the grass and the dill because the ride-on mower wasn't capable of doing it. So, because it was going up so thick and fast with all the water we'd had in Spain at the beginning of the year. So here he is. Welcome to my newest project. Let's pop him on the top, see if I can get in the bushes while he's popped on the top. There you go. New project. El Heffy, that's me giving El Heffy a slap. Okay, there we are. I'm going to have my first ride on the mower, on the tractor today.